View Wheelzy Papa.
View Wheelzy Mama. Their car kids are cute, but do cause drama. Vroomy! Vroomy! They like to play. Bloom Boom the baby drops something every day. Grandpa Ladle is the one who steps in to help. He will make sure car kids will get on well. The Wheelzy Family.
This is Vroomy. She drives happily out of the toy store with her new stickers.
I have new stickers! Wow, 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 beep! Hi.
Vroomy has decided to decorate her album with her new stickers.
Wow!
And a suitcase. Vroomy tells his sister to decorate the mirror. That's not a good idea. The mirror might get angry if the stickers leave marks, and we will not be able to look in it or see beautiful reflections. Ah, this is a mirror. It sighs very grumpily. Now Vroomy will figure it out. She loves looking at herself in the mirror in the morning.
There is an evil mirror!
You're scared of it! Hey! Hey!
Mom is at work. What's going on?
Our mirror has turned into a ghost!
Oh! We need to catch it before Mom sees it.
I can't catch it! Hey!
Bloom Boom wants to try and catch the mirror with a butterfly net.
Oh, ho, ho! What did you do to make the mirror so angry?
We don't know.
You shouldn't have put stickers on it. No, you shouldn't.
Oh.
Attention!
Huh?
We have an important job to do. We need to clean the mirror and get rid of the scary ghost. Who's going to help?
Me too.
Me too.
Everyone is working together to clean the mirror. The mirror has now stopped growling and has become much more friendly. Grandpa Ladle brought soap and sponges to wipe off all the stickers.
Mirror, it's time to go.
It did as it was told. The mirror really wants to be clean again.
What? It's good that the mirror is no longer upset.
And it's a good job Mom didn't see.
Did someone call me? View Wheelzy Papa.
View Wheelzy Mama. Their car kids are cute, but do cause drama. Roomy! Roomy! They like to play. Bloom Boom the baby drops something every day. Grandpa Ladle is the one who steps in to help. He will make sure car kids will get on well. The Wheelzy Family.
Papa Wheelzy has brought the children some presents.
Whoa! Oh, wow! Froomy, look! We have presents! Thank you, Dad!
Do I get one too?
Of course. I bought everyone their own suitcase. Bloomy, you can put your toys in your suitcase.
Ball!
And your milk bottle. Roomy's putting her toys in her suitcase.
I'm going traveling!
Yeah, me too!
Let's go!
Over the sofa!
And through the kitchen! Do you think you could all do your traveling outside?
Roomy's taken her brother's suitcase outside.
With toys for the sand pit!
There's a crack in Broomy's suitcase.
But I can try and fix it.
Broomy feels quite bad for taking her brother's suitcase outside now that it's broken. Putting tape over the crack hasn't worked.
Broomy a new suitcase.
Broomy's at the shop now.
Oh. Oh, yes. Ah. Ah.
Oh no, Broomy. That's not for sale. Somebody has already bought that one.
Huh? Oh. 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 That's too bad. Oh, I'm so sorry I couldn't get you a new suitcase, Broomy.
It's okay, Broomy. I forgive you.
Well done, Broomy. You did the right thing then. Look what Plumy's brought for us.
He's brought some tape, stickers, and paint. Now, Broomy's suitcase is all lovely and colorful. You can't see the crack at all.
Who's got the best looking suitcase now?
I do. I want one like that
View Wheelzy Papa.
View Wheelzy Mama. Their car kids are cute, but do cause drama. Broomy! Broomy! They like to play. Bloom Boom the baby drops something every day. Grandpa Ladle is the one who steps in to help. He will make sure car kids will get on well. The Wheelzy Family.
This is Mama Wheelzy. She's cooking tasty cakes. Who's this? It's Grandpa Ladle. These are cupcakes. Hey, who's that laughing? Let's see. It's Broomy and Broomy. They're watching funny cartoons.
A hamburger, please. One hamburger. Thank you. A salad, please. One salad. Ah, thank you. An apple juice, please. One apple juice. Thank you. An ice cream, please. One ice cream. Many thanks. A glass of water, please. Water.
Ha! Broomy and Vroomy are trying to copy the cartoon. Vroomy got a face full of hamburger. It's a pan of chips. Oh dear! Broomy, what did you do?
Whoops.
What happened? Kids, stop that, you little rascals.
But Grandpa, we're playing restaurants like in the cartoon. Yeah?
So, this is a restaurant, yes? And you're a customer. And you're the waiter. There are much better ways to play with food. Follow me. Let's find out who the best waiter is. Hey. This way.
Red versus blue.
Listen, you two waiters.
Yeah?
You must find some fruit. Here.
I'll find red fruit. And I'll find the blue fruit. Red fruit! Blue fruit. Red fruit! Blue fruit will win. I found a fruit. But pears are yellow.
Vroomy is looking for red fruit. She really wants to win this game. She can see orange fruit. And she can see yellow fruit. But she cannot see red fruit.
Hey, Plumie! Give me that raspberry!
Hey, Plumie. Your sister asked you for a raspberry. But we don't give people food that's already been in your mouth.
There aren't any blue fruit. Oh, blue? Broom, broom, hooray!
Okay, kids. Now let's go home. And clean up. Your mom is at home playing restaurants too. Come on.
Blue. Yum, 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 yum. Red. A tasty cupcake.
Oh, my children love eating.